Go. It's the eel. I'm gonna get it closer.
Be nice kid.
You need water.
What did he bit you?
Because you did that noise. Touch it.
It's very soft. Ngaran lambot, parang ano?
Hindi, slippery yan. Tsaka slippery. Yung eel,
Oh, they fat.
ang eel sa atin maiksi, maliit, payat.
Yung palos.
Oh, there's some over there. Oh, there's one right there. Oh, there's one there.
It's the
Is it the
eel.
one they say they looking at you?
Ay, you cannot see the eel.
Oh, it's two there.
He's looking at me.
Pwede.
Watch mommy in.
Dinuluto yan, di ba?
Uy! Oo, niluluto. Kinakain. I cannot, you cannot see it in the photo. In the video.
Oh, I wasn't sure.
Very long.